नमस्कार देवियों सज्जनों, मैं रसिक आप सभी का फिर से स्वागत करता हूं बियॉन्ड लेक्चर्स एट संस्कृति, ओनली एट संस्कृति यूनिवर्सिटी। आज मेरे लिए साथ ही साथ आप सभी के लिए बहुत ही गर्व का विषय है, क्योंकि आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं संस्कृति यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर एम.बी. चेट्टी सर। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर आपका।
Thank you वेरी मच रसिक।
Sir, as we all know that Sanskriti University is not only famous for the quality education, but हम लोग और आपकी लीडरशिप के अंदर, ऑनरेबल चांसलर सर की लीडरशिप और विजन के अंडर इतने सारे इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं, इतने बड़े स्केल पे, लार्ज स्केल पे। कैसे सर इतने सारे इवेंट्स स्मूथली रन कर पाते हैं?
I would like to tell you one thing.
Yes, sir.
That Sanskriti University not only gives importance for the quality education, we also give importance for the overall development of the students.
Okay.
We give a lot of importance for curricular activities, co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, and so on. And our Chancellor Dr. Sachin Gupta Ji is very keen that our students should excel in everything, in academics, in curricular activities, in sports, in games, in cultural activities, in quizzes, and so on. So that's why we give a lot of importance for all these activities. And the students are very well behaved. And not only that, the students want only the recreation. And they are very regular in classes. They attend the classes regularly. And in fact, many students come to me. If the teachers are not delivering the lectures properly, they come and tell, sir, please change the lecture. And immediately we take action. And either we replace the faculty or we train the faculty in such a way that he delivers to the best of the students' satisfaction. That is the main thing. And we are giving importance for everything. And we organize these big events with a lot of interest, with a lot of enthusiasm, and we invite people who have excelled in their life. Like, you know very well that just a couple of days back, Vivek Ranjan Agnihotri, who is famous for Kashmir files and Bengal files, we invited. And it was such a wonderful talk with Vivek Ranjan ji delivered to the students. And he mentioned that courage is very important. The character is very important. And that's what he has tried to depict, this courage and character, in his films, which I could see, the Bengal files recently. So that's how we give importance for the overall development, personality development of the students.
Sir, as a part of Sanskriti University, I always saw that Sanskriti University एक इंस्टीट्यूशन ना होकर के एक पूरी टीम है, जहाँ पे हर एक स्टूडेंट, हर एक फैकल्टी, हर टीचिंग स्टाफ, हर नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ ये इस टीम में एक अहम रोल निभाते हैं। एंड एज अ लीडर, हाउ डू यू फील कि जब कोई स्टूडेंट या फिर कोई फैकल्टी आपके पास आके थैंक यू बोलता है जस्ट बिकॉज ये इवेंट्स, ये एटमॉस्फेयर, ये इन्वायरमेंट ने उन्हें हेल्प किया उनका कॉन्फिडेंस गेन करने के लिए?
Okay. We have a very strong students council at Sanskriti University. The students council helps in every aspect. When we organize these functions, these programs, they take immense interest and they help the faculty.
Okay.
And we constitute various committees just to see that absolutely no untoward incident happens and the program should go flawlessly. And any visitor visiting the university or any dignitaries visiting the university, they see the discipline which is maintained in the university and they have a very high appreciation for the patience, for the interest which our students and faculty have shown. And even we have a very dedicated faculty. Maybe it is the sports event, maybe it is the cultural event, maybe it is organization of quiz, maybe it is organization of faculty development programs, webinars, seminars. All these programs, the faculty takes a lot of interest and the students from various schools. For example, if we are organizing a webinar of the engineering and technology, the students from engineering and technology are made to involve fully.
Okay.
So that they will also understand what is the importance of organizing these programs. So that's how we have a very well organized, dedicated team to conduct various programs in the university. That's why we don't feel any difficulty in organizing any big events in the university. Maybe probably you all know that our convocation was attended by Honorable Governor of Uttar Pradesh,
Yes.
Madam Srimati Anandiben Patel ji,
Ji.
and the last year convocation was graced by Honorable Sri Ramnath Kovind ji,
Ji.
the former President of India.
Ji.
And in fact, when we interacted with them, and they were very highly appreciative of the discipline which the students maintained.
Okay.
So, and even the dedication and of the faculty and the way the programs were conducted, it was very, very encouraging for us, and we absolutely have no problem in organizing any big events in the university. And for everything, I must really appreciate the guidance of our Honorable Chancellor,
Ji.
because he takes immense interest in in meticulously planning the things and meticulously organizing the things.
As our Chancellor sir always quoted, like, for the students and by the students. This how a team works at Sanskriti University.
Definitely. Because students are there, we are here.
Yes.
I always keep telling the faculty and all the employees that just because of the students, the university is there.
Ji.
And because of the students, we are all there. And we are for the students. And we are ready to do anything and everything for the benefit and welfare of the students. And we want to see that every student excels in his life. Every student is well placed in a reputed organization after he completes his graduation or goes for a higher studies. And you know that the training and placement cell, we have a very dedicated training and placement cell in the university, which who are involved in training the students on various aspects: soft skills, hard skills, communication skills, personality developments, mock interviews, GD forums, and so on. So that's how students feel extremely happy, and they feel extremely happy that they are the alumni after completing the graduation. They are the alumni of Sanskriti University.
You sir just enlightened us about the training and placement cell which we have at Sanskriti University, how it focuses on personality and communication development of every student. And sir, as a student and as a part of that community, we have always admired you for your personality and how you ensure that every student of Sanskriti University gets the best communication skills, best personality development programs, that webinars and seminars which help that student to be a better citizen and to be recognized always as a student of Sanskriti University.
Yes, I take immense interest in interacting with the faculty of the training and placement cell. I ask several questions to them: what difficulties they are facing while dealing with the students, whether it is the language problem, or it is the attitude problem, or it is the behavior problem. And based on the difficulties which our faculty is facing, we guide them how to train such students. And we have a very strong mentor-mentee system in the schools, in the university. And the mentor-mentee system, each mentor, a faculty is allotted to 20 students. And we request the faculty to conduct the meeting of the students, not only the students, even with the students' parents. And we expect the faculty to conduct at least one parent meeting in every 3 months, so that if whatever the faculty student is facing, maybe it is a financial problem, maybe it is a mental issues or depression, because many times students get depressed for no reason. They get depressed. I always tell that the students should not know the word depression.
Right.
They should not know and I ask many students, sir, I have acidity, I have this problem, that problem. I tell them, as a student, in my student days, I never had any acidity problem. I never had any depression problem. If we concentrate on our job, if we concentrate on studies, absolutely these things will never come nearer us. That is what I told our the training and placement cell. concentrate on the personality development of the students, concentrate on their vocabulary, concentrate on the communication skills. It is necessary that you should know as many languages as possible. Just knowing this is in Uttar Pradesh, just knowing in Hindi is not enough.
Yes.
तो आप उत्तर प्रदेश से बाहर जाएंगे, जब उत्तर प्रदेश से बाहर जाएंगे, किसी दूसरे राज्य में जाएंगे, साउथ के राज्य में जाएंगे, तो आपको लैंग्वेज का प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा. वहां पे कम लोग हिंदी बोलते हैं और हिंदी बोलते हैं तो भी आप समझ नहीं पाते. तो इसलिए आपको इंग्लिश सीखना और दूसरे लैंग्वेज सीखना भी उतना ही जरूरी है. मैं ये समझता हूँ कि जितनी लैंग्वेज हम सीखें उतना हम अच्छी तरफ से सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. किसी राज्य में, देश की कई कोने में भी हम सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ वी गिव इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर ऑल दिस overall development of the students community. Communication is very, very important, and this mentor mentee system what we have adopted in the university is very strong.
Okay.
And we tell the faculty that regularly you conduct the meeting of the students and to know their problems so that we can address the problem of the students in a better way so that he becomes very confident. And when he gets out of the university, he say that I am the proud alumni of Sanskriti University. That's what we expect from every student to do it.
So basically, Sanskriti University confidently promises every student who are keen to join Sanskriti University that not only you'll get quality education here, but university will focus on your holistic development, your personality development, your communication development, and will make you a better citizen. And sir, like जैसे कि अभी एग्जाम्स आने वाले, हमने बात करी अभी पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की, कॉन्फिडेंस की. हाउ संस्कृति यूनिवर्सिटी हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स टू स्ट्रेसन, टू रिलीव फ्रॉम दैट स्ट्रेस, फ्रॉम एग्जाम स्ट्रेस, फ्रॉम इंटरनल एग्जाम, सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स?
Okay, exams are due maybe in the second or third week of December. We are planning to have the exam, but during the exam, just prior to the exam, few days prior to the exam, we don't keep any such programs so that students' attention is not diverted for those activities. Students' attention is totally diverted for the academics. Once if the exams are over, they are free birds. They can involve themselves in many activities. Even the Students' Council conducts many activities. Like we have almost a dozen clubs in the university.
In 16 clubs.
16 clubs in the university, and these clubs are also very active. And most of these clubs are headed by our own students. And we support the students for carrying out the activities, for conducting the activities of these clubs. And the students, I see many students because they came to me, sir, you keep the library open until midnight. So we are ready to come and sit in the library. And even we are planning to install some coffee machines in the library so that at the time of exam, the students can come and relax. And we are ready to keep, if I have told the librarian that keep the library open as long as the students are there. Why midnight? We are ready to keep the library 24 hours open. If that really helps the students, because they have to, they get a very good atmosphere in the library. It is an air-conditioned library. We have very good facilities in the library so that there will not be any problem for the students to concentrate on the academic activities.
Sir, अब एक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास, और शायद ये क्यूरियोसिटी केवल मेरी ही नहीं बल्कि हर एक स्टूडेंट की रही होगी संस्कृत यूनिवर्सिटी में, कि हाउ अ डे ऑफ ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर एट संस्कृत यूनिवर्सिटी goes from start to end.
Okay, it's a good question.
Thank you, sir.
I come to office maybe around 9:15 every day, right? The moment I come with lot of ideas and the pending things to be attended. I don't know how I spend time until 2 o'clock when I go for lunch.
Okay.
So sometimes I plan so many things, it will not happen as per the plan because so many burning issues will be there. Students' problems. I give a lot of importance for the problems of the students. Some students may have a problem of class, some students may have a problem of attendance, some students may have a problem of examination, some students may have a problem of fees. There are many issues. So I always give top priority for the students' problems. In addition to that, I sometimes take rounds of the classes, whether the classes are running properly or not, whether the teachers are punctual in the classes, and the lectures what they are expected to deliver is up to the mark or not. I look into all those issues, and again I conduct the meetings of the deans or the faculty only after 4 o'clock or 4:30, because the classes are over by 4:30 every day, and any meetings with the faculty or with the deans are conducted after 4:30, and my day ends not earlier than 8 or 8:30 in the evening. That's why I tell the students, whenever I am always sitting in the office. You can meet me anytime before 9 o'clock, before I go home at 9 o'clock in the night. So that's how, because I have lot of other issues to be attended, like the correspondence with the government, correspondence with the UGC, correspondence with other universities, and we have a couple of big mega projects in the university, from the Department of Science and Technology, and again from ISRO. And I motivate the faculty. I have sent out a circular very recently to all the faculty that every faculty should have at least one project in their name, and they should write one quality paper in a year. It's not difficult. I tell them, even if you spend half a day, half an hour or 1 hour per day is more than enough for writing a project and running the project, both the things. I motivate the faculty to write the projects and get the funding from the external funding agencies and write the research articles. Sometimes it may not be possible to write research articles in high impact journals. I tell them, because you are doing lot of activities, lot of work in the schools, you write the popular articles. You write daily newspapers. You write about what is to be done on various aspects that you know better. So that is for the knowledge of the public, knowledge of the community, other than the scientific community. And that's how the day, it ends just like that. And similarly, weekends. I never know that, the Monday, the week starts and how the week ends on Saturday. It doesn't matter whether Saturday or Sunday, even on Sunday, you can see me in the office. And any, such academic matters and very time consuming matters, and like correction of the thesis, and then attending to some reports which university has to submit to various agencies, government agencies and other agencies, I attend to that. That's how my day spends, and I will not know that how I have spent 8 or 9, 10 hours in the office.
Okay.
That's how the day is gone. So that's how I could able to manage in the last 3 years. I'm almost in this university for the last 3 years, and I feel as if I have just joined few days back.
So, like, your day truly gives confidence to every students that they can relax and just focus on their studies, their events, holistic development, and our team, our dignitaries are giving their best to ensure their better future. Thank you so much, sir. We heartily thank you for being with us at the university and at Beyond Lectures at Sanskriti. Be a part of Beyond
Thank you.
Lectures.
Thank you very much, Rasik. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. Be a part of Beyond Lectures at Sanskriti, only at Sanskriti University. Thank you.